Good morning, it's a wandering day today. We're starting with Central Market. This might make a video, might not make a video. Gonna see what happens. Come along. I'd go a little bit wild with my coffee choice today and went for a Japanese cola coffee, but it is very much just black coffee and Coke mixed together, which is interesting for your first drink of the day. This is the River of Life. It's not exactly what I was expecting, I'm not gonna lie.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, hang on a minute, let me show you these. Whoa. I'm about to add lippers to where we are because we don't know, and I'm about to tell you.
Mosque.
Oh, we're at the mosque. I'm not entirely sure the address of the mosque.
No, not either. Wearing shorts probably.
Yeah, that's the mosque, everybody. We're gonna leave before we get told off. We've come to the KL City Gallery. It's 10 ringgits each to get in here. Now you look like King Kong. We're back out in the sunshine. I think it's important if you visit here to just come and have a wander and do all the little bits that aren't really a day's activity, but you can do all in one day. They all take about like half an hour each. This is Kuala Lumpur's newest building to be finished in 2020. I can't believe I'm doing this, but we're having fish and chips and I'm having a cup of tea. Thank you. Bye.